Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on mixed fractions. We have already looked at simple fractions and we know what they mean. Another type of fraction is the mixed fraction. This fraction is made up of two components. They are a whole number and a simple fraction. An example of a mixed fraction is 3.5. And there is the whole number, and there's the simple fraction. In real life, this type of fraction could stand for many things. A recipe might require 3.5 apples. A motel which offers accommodation could be rated using 3.5 stars. Improper fraction. An improper fraction is one which has a numerator that is larger than its denominator. An example of an improper fraction is 7/2. Note that 7 is larger than 2. Converting a mixed fraction to an improper fraction. This is a very simple process, as we will now see on the next slide. Example 1. Convert 3.5 to an improper fraction. And here is the solution. You take the denominator, which is 2, you multiply it by 3, and you add 1. So it's 2 times 3, then you add 1, and you put all that over 2, which is the denominator. 2 3s are 6, plus 1, all over 2, which is 7/2, and that's the answer. So 3.5 is 7/2. Convert 2 3/4 to an improper fraction. Solution. 4 2s are 8, plus 3 is 11, 11/4. There's the answer. Remember, the number here is just the denominator. Example 3, 4 2/5 equals 5 4s are 20, plus 2 is 22/5. Converting 7 3/8 to an improper fraction. 8 7s are 56, plus 3 is 59/8. Convert 8 2/3 to an improper fraction. 3/8 are 24, plus 2 is 26, so that gives us 26/3. Now I hope you've noticed something here with these first 5 examples. How easy are they if you know your times tables? Now I know I've been talking about this quite often, but I really encourage you to increase your knowledge of times tables, because sums like this are very, very easy. Example 6. Convert 2 3/10 to an improper fraction. 10 2s, that's 10 times 2, plus 3. I've just repeated the process from the previous slide, all over 10. 10 2s are 20, plus 3 is 23/10. Example 7, convert 6 4/9 to an improper fraction. 9 6s are 54, plus 4 is 58, 58/9. Converting 5 2/7, 7 5s are 35, plus 2 is 37, all over 7. Don't forget, the denominator is there. Converting 6 8/9, 9 6s are 54. 54 plus 8 is 62, 62/9. And finally, converting 3 5/6, 6 3s are 18, plus 5 is 23, 23/6. And that's how you do the conversion. Very, very simple if you know your times tables.